Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to bharatcoders. So in today video I am going to talk about the new features of Frappe version 16 which was not there in version 15. So let me just start the system. So if I log in into version 16, so let's say if I go into any doc type, like let's say for the sales invoice, if I go to sales invoice, then here you see in version 15 in list setting, like there was limitations of adding only 10 columns. We can add only 10 columns in the list view, and scrollable list view was not available. So let me show you. If I go to my terminal, cd frappe bench start. So in my local system I have version Frappe version 15 installed, so I will show you in the version 15, then I will show in the version 16, then you can easily identify the difference. So let's go to sales invoice. Sales invoice list, and say here if I go to list settings and try to add the sum of the fields, like let's add the net total, mobile number, mode of transport, then paid amount, then BA number, payment due date, something. Let's add it. So you see here we have set number of maximum. So here we can only see the number of maximum, like maximum number of fields we have only 10. More than 10 we cannot select the columns in the list view. So let me select here BA number, paid amount, mobile number, mode of transport, outstanding amount, and if I add it, so here if you see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let me add one more. Let's see, uh, company, and let me add it, save it. So now we have, see, like we have total 10 columns, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, total 10. So if I try to add more than 10 columns, system will not allow. So if I add remarks field, so see here it is not added. So this is the limitation of version 15, whereas in version 16 if we go to list settings, and like there is no such options like number of maximum number of fields, there is no such option. So you can add here multiple columns you want, like let me add mobile number, mode of transport, net total, then we can add like paid amount, outstanding amount, party account currency, party due date, lots of columns you can add it, and system will allow, like say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are already 10. Let me add some more, like port code, post office, posting time, post closing entry. So all will be there if I update it, and you see here, so this list view has become the scrollable. So this is new features in Frappe version 16. It was not available in version 15. So if I like try to scroll, there is no scrollable list view in version 15. So this is all about this video. If you like the content of the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.